Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video today, I will share my makeup brushes collection. So let's get started. If you're a beginner, I will recommend a few brushes. You don't need to own it all. You can start off with something very basic, and then as you go about it, you can add on and invest in more brushes. So all of these brushes that I have, they are of very good quality. There is no shedding. I've washed them multiple times. So let's get started with the eye makeup brushes first. So if you're a beginner, the most important brush that you need is an eyeshadow blending brush. So I have this one from MAC Cosmetics, and this is brush number 391. This is how it looks like. It's good for eyeshadow blending. So if you're looking for something cheaper than this, you can buy Pro Art eyeshadow blending brush. That one is good as well. The next brush that I have is this PAC 031. It has a very thin bristles. It's very good if you want to apply a very thin liner like I have done today. It's barely visible, so it gives a very good liner application. It gives good control over your product, and if you want to apply a nice winged liner, or you want to go thick or thin, whichever way you like, this works well with gel liners. I have this Faces Canada eyebrow brush. It has a angled brush on one side for the product application, and on the other side it has this spoolie. Next I have is this Wet n Wild angled brush. This is a very small angled brush. I use this if I am doing a cut crease or if very detailed application. Now next is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow application brush. I purchased this, but I do not use it. I prefer using my fingers for metallic and glittery eyeshadow. That is something which works best with most eyeshadow formulas, so I don't use this much. The next important brush, which is this pencil brush. It is from Pro Art PE29. It has a very tiny bristles. It is good for detailed application if you want detailed application on small areas of your eyes, like your outer corner, and you can also highlight your inner corner with this. It is good for that. It has soft bristles. It's good for smoking out the lower lash line as well. So this is a good brush to have along with your eyeshadow blending brush. So if you want to invest in a very good eye makeup brushes, I would recommend this one if you're beginning, this one. And if you want to invest in a second brush, these two brushes are good. So these are the eye makeup brushes that I have. You don't need to have all of it. Next, when I was starting out with makeup, I did not have any knowledge about makeup. I just went and purchased anything that I saw on Amazon. So I have these Pune store eye makeup brushes which I purchased. These brushes are actually useless for me because my eyes are small, and these bristles are very big, and they don't work well for blending. Four of these brushes are blending brushes, so basically it's useless, but they are only blending brushes apart from this one. I use this apart from this pointed brush. I sometimes use it to apply contour on my nose, but very rarely. I just use one of these brushes for highlighter application. I like a concentrated application of highlighter. I don't use the bigger brushes. Let's move to the base makeup brushes. So I've already mentioned this in one of my previous video. This is a store Big Fan brush. That's what they call it. This is how it looks like. It is a very long, it has a very dense and soft bristle. Fan brush is mostly used for sheer application of product. Most people use it for highlighters, but I don't use fan brush for highlighter because I need more coverage from my highlighter. I need more of my highlighter, so I use fan brush only for loose powder application. This is a PAC 333 brush. This is how it looks like. It has a angle to it. It is a stiff brush. I use this for cream contour whenever I'm doing a high definition makeup, or it's good for high definition bridal makeup. Mostly if you want that chiseled contour look, always go with cream contour products, or if you want a very natural finish, you can use powder products. But if you're a beginner, I would recommend powder contour, because that powder products are easy to work with, so I would recommend powder contour. This is good to blend cream contour product, and I use it for that. You can skip this if you're not going to use a cream contour. Next is this Pro Art TF01. It is a concealer application brush. I use it for applying concealer on my eyelids, for doing cut crease, and for concealer under the eyes. Next is this powder contour brush. It has an angle to it. It has a very soft bristles. For powder contour products, always use a brush with soft bristles. This Wet n Wild brush, it's good for powder contour. This is a Real Techniques Core Collection. I use this brush. It's a buffing brush. I use it for foundation application. It works well. Next is this it's called contour brush, but I use it for powder products, for blending concealer under the eyes, on the eyelid, in case I'm not using a beauty blender. This is called a foundation brush, but I never use this brush. It gives a very uneven application and it's not good for blending. I use this only for face painting. Yeah, next is just the beauty blender that I have. This is from Plume microfiber sponge, and this one is it's a local one, but it's good quality. But the Plume one, it really absorbs less product, so I prefer using it mostly. So these are the makeup brushes that I have. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And do check out my other videos as well. I'll leave them down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.